how to make this elegant calendar design of the year 2024 in Word document in an easier way. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, do subscribe my channel to watch such interesting videos in the coming days. Okay, so let's begin with the calendar of the year 2024. Okay, press Ctrl N for a new document. Go in layout tab, go in paper size, more paper sizes, and set the width to 8.5 centimeter and height to 5.5 centimeter and enter. And we have the paper size over here. Set the orientation to landscape. Okay, now let's move forward. Insert tab, go in shapes and select the oval shape. Okay, oval shape, and draw using control key, draw the shape. Okay, now go in format tab of the shape and edit shape and edit the points. Okay, bring this point to the end of the page, and the line which you can see this, just drag it this way. Okay, just drag it inwards, just increase the size a bit. Okay, and we are done. Okay, now go in format tab and shape fill, select the shape color. To set the shape color, you can choose any of the colors, or you can go in the gradient, more gradients. Okay, gradient fill and select the color. First one you can set the color to yellow, and second one you can set the color to orange. Okay, because our theme is like of Lord Ganesha, so you want some brightest colors, right? To start a year with a good theme, you want some bright colors. Okay, and instead of linear you can choose radial and direction from center. Okay, and we are done. Select the shape, go in shape outline and select no outline. Go in shape preset, shape effect, set the preset to preset 4, and over here go in reflections, or you can go in shadow also. Select this, go in bevel and select bevel number, this one. Okay, 3D rotation to oblique. Done. Select the shape, press Ctrl D to duplicate the shape. Go in shape fill and select the shape color to red and send to back. Okay, place this shape exactly near this shape. Okay, just drag it inwards so it gives the outline for the first shape. Okay, place it correctly. Okay, you can change the shape outline to no outline as it's already set, and you can change the shape effect, set the preset to preset number 1 and select the glow to this. Okay, bevel to this one, and 3D rotation to oblique. Okay, and we are done with this much. Select both the shape, select the first shape, hold the control key and select the second shape. Go in format background and group the both the shapes. Okay, and we are done. Go in insert, select the shape of the right angle triangle or right triangle, draw it. Okay, go and rotate and flip horizontal. Okay, place it over here, right hand side corner. You can increase the size of the shape if you want. Okay, go in format and edit shape and edit the points. Okay, I know the video is going a bit longer, but I'm trying my best to do it. Okay, select this point and drag this line to inwards. Okay, now set it over here. Go in shape fill, select the shape color to red and shape outline to no outline. Go in shape effects, preset number 4. Okay, And over here preset you can set one also, whatever you want. Bevel, set the bevel, okay, most important, and we are done. Okay, this much is done. Now go in insert tab and insert the, go in picture and insert the Ganpati image. Over here set this one so it comes into an fixed position. And now remove the background of the image. Using the mark area pencil tool, mark the areas that you want to keep. See, unnecessarily the things are marked, so you can mark those areas and mark keep changes. Shrink the size of the image a bit and place it over here. Okay, so for the new year we have a Lord Ganesha with us. Go in design tab, go in watermarks. So we'll place a Ganpati watermark over here. Go in custom watermarks. You can place your company logo also as a watermark. Select the image and from file. Okay, and we have the watermark. Check out this box as keep washout and okay. And we have the Ganpati logo on the page. Okay, this much is done. To insert a calendar, we have to insert a text box first. To insert a text box, go in insert tab in shapes and insert a text box. Okay, choose the shape fill to no fill and shape outline to no outline. Okay, go in insert tab and select the table with 7 columns and 6 rows. Increase the size if you want, decrease the size a bit, and right over here. Okay, select the days and set the font size. Go in the home tab, set the font size to 22. Okay, and font type to agency FB. Okay, font color to red, or you can set blue also, and underline it and bold. Okay, select the days. Okay, over here set the font type to agency FB only with font to 22. Okay, and middle and black color. Select this and font, set the color to red. Okay, select the Sunday part, set the color to red. Okay, and public holidays we will also set it to red, and we are done. Okay, select the table. We don't want the table outline, so go in over here. Okay, borders, go in borders and no border. Okay, this much is done. Bring it down a bit because we have to write January over here. Okay, insert a text box. Go in insert shapes and insert a text box over here. Okay, select the shape fill to no fill and shape outline to no outline. Okay, write the text January 2024. Okay, select the text and over here set this gold and go in home tab and select font type to Algerian. Okay, Algerian will be better, and select the size to 36 or 48 also. Set it in the middle and mark it. Okay, and red color. You can add a company logo over here on this point. Public holidays we can write over here. Go in insert tab, shapes, and insert a text box again. Increase the size a bit. Okay, right over here, public holidays, select it, red color, underline, bold it, and select the font to agency FB and select the font size to 24. Okay, and set it in the middle. Okay, go in format tab, select the shape fill to no fill. Okay, and select right and start typing. First is a new year day 15, Makar Sankranti, and 26th Republic Day. Okay, select this all. We don't want underline, we don't want bold. Set it in middle. Okay, and set the font color to black. Now it's a time to insert a company logo over here on the page. Okay, go in insert tab, select the image, go in pictures and insert a company logo, whatever you have saved it. Just bring it in front, shrink the size of the image, shrink the size of the image. Okay, and in the format tab, select the picture style to this or whichever style you want. I selected oval shape. Shrink the size of the image a bit and increase over here from here and place it over here. This much is done. You can write the company name below. Go in insert tab, first insert a text box. Go in format, shape fill to no fill. Write your company name. I am writing. Select the name. Okay, in format you can select over here from here this one, black one for a style of the word. Okay, fill black. Go in home tab and select the color to red. The color, underline it. Select the font type to this brush script empty and place it in middle. Select the font size, set it as 28 and we are done. Place it in the middle of the logo. You can add the address over here below and we are done with our calendar part. Okay, we'll see in the full view. See, do try guys. This is a calendar on the desk, beautifully designed. Do give it a try and do subscribe my channel for more interesting computer documents. You can comment your any queries in the comment section. I will surely answer to them.